He's like, what's going on?
I named him Paul.
Here, let's let Eric talk to him.
I named him Paul. And Victoria Justice.
It's Victoria Justice. Build-A-Bear Workshop and I share a passion about fashion. I love that you do too.
And her.
There's Murfur again. Look at Murph. Look at him. Look at Murph. Look at Murph. Look at Murph. Look at Murph. Murfur.
Oh, he's so cute.
His name is Paul. I named him Paul. And
Here,
and
let's
he has
make
his
him
own
sit
coat.
up
Let me
some
put it in on
Is he
Build-A-Bear
slouching? Is he slouching?
I just know what the code is. I remember it in my head.
Hello, you looking right at the camera. What a little Murfur.
I'm gonna brush her hair.
Yeah, little Murfur. Excuse me. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
Big
I
old
got
Murfers.
onto it. Done. Then I entered his code, and I got him. Hooray! He moved like a real cat.
Look at the Murfur. Look at him. Look at the belly. Look, and he'll just hold his leg out.
Be real.
Look, he just moves his leg and he just leaves it there.
He came alive. What the heck?
Look, I don't care. Whatever. I am just totally 1,000% chill. He's like, yeah. So what?
He's like, I think
Oh!
his legs.
What happened? How did that happen?
She was like pulling his legs.
Lillian.